Hello, welcome back, beloved friends. This is Teacher Ting Ting again, and in this video, we are going to learn about words that have sound A. If a word has sound A, you say, "Yes, it does." Hey, my friend, you still there? I'm about to call for you, okay? So when the word has sound A, you say it again. When I say the word, you say it again and you look for sound A in that word. Yes, and if it has sound A, you say, "Yes, it does." And if I say the word, you say it again, and if it doesn't have sound A, you say, "No, it doesn't." Amazing. Pinto, yes, please come and join. Where are you? We've been waiting for you here. Ta 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 ta! Yes, you are. You are loved by these little friends. They also love you so much. Thank you. Yes, do you love them? Do you love them? Yeah, I do. Okay, good. So now let's tell them the words. The first word that has sound A is ape. Yes, that one I already say that it has sound A. Yeah, ape, ape. So the word ape has sound A. So you say, "Yes, it does." Yes, amazing, Pinto. We really love you so much. You say, "Yes, it does," because the word ape has sound A for Aaron ape. All right. The word come. Why are you looking at me? Does the word come has sound A? No, it doesn't. Good. That's amazing. What of the word lake? Oh, lake. Yes, lake. Does the word lake have sound A? Yes, it does. Good. What of the word paint? Paint. Yes, it does. Yes, the word paint has sound A. Where do we find sound A in the word ape? Rather, hey, which word is that? Paint. Where do we find sound A in the word paint? Okay. It is in the middle. It is in the middle. Okay. What of the word knife? Knife. No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word glass? Glass. No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word pale? Pale. Pale. Yes, it does. Good. What of the word tree? Tree. No, it doesn't. Good. The word tree doesn't have sound A. Good. What of the word cow? I know you have cows at your home, Pinto. No, you don't have cows. Okay. So does the word cow have sound A? No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word fan? Does the word fan have sound A? No, it doesn't. Good. That's amazing. What of the word tape? Tape. Is it easy? Oh, that is easy peasy. Okay, now you tell it to me. Yes, it does. That's amazing, Pinto. Yes, the word tape has sound A, and we find it in the middle. Tape. Tape. Good. What of the word tap? Tap. No, it doesn't. Good. That's amazing. What of the word crayon? Crayon. Look at the children. No, it doesn't. Yes. Crayon? Pinto. Cray. Yes, it does. Good. And you just listen. Crayon. Crayon. Okay, thank you. Good. What of the word box? No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word gate? Gate. Yes, it does. Good. Yes, what of the word ball? Do you know a ball, Pinto? Yes, I always kick it. Really? You always kick the ball. All right, does the word ball have sound A? No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word train? Train. Yes, it does. Good. What of the word rock? Rock. Rock. Yes, does the word rock have sound A? No, it doesn't. Good. What of the word cake? I love cake. Really? But does that word have sound A? Yes, it does. Good. What of the word rake? Rake. Yes, it does. Good. What of the word train? And I remember last time, Pinto, we went in a train and we went far away. Yes, I remember. Yes. Does the word train have sound A? Yes, it does. Good. And I know you know this. What of the word snake? Now you're asking me. The word snake. Children, the word snake. Does the word snake have sound A? Yes, they said yes. Yes, it does. That's amazing. What of the word sun? Sun. Sun. No, it doesn't. Yes, good. What of the word pan? Pan. No, it doesn't. Good, that's amazing. Thank you, beloved children, for telling us whether the words have sound A or not. And remember, we always love you so much. Thank you for watching this video.